In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Todoist with your calendar. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have your tasks and events talking to each other, so you can see everything in one place and stay on top of your schedule more easily. Let's start inside your Todoist account on the desktop or web app. First, look toward the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile area there, usually represented by your name, initials, or an avatar. Click on that profile section to open a small menu. This is where Todoist keeps your account-related options. From the menu that appears, go ahead and click on Settings. This will open a new window or panel with several tabs across the top or along the side, depending on your layout. Settings is where you control how Todoist behaves and where all integrations are managed. Inside Settings, find and select the Integrations tab. This is the central place where Todoist connects with other apps and services. Give it a moment to load, and you'll see options for installed integrations as well as ones you can add. Next, look for the Browse option and click on it. Browse takes you to the Integrations gallery, where you can search for new tools to connect. You'll notice different categories and collections that help you quickly locate what you need. In this gallery view, find the section labeled Most Popular and click on it. Todoist highlights commonly used integrations here, so you don't have to dig around. Since calendar syncing is a very popular feature, it's included in this collection. Once you're in the most popular section, locate the integration for Google Calendar and click on it. This opens a detailed page describing what the integration does, such as syncing tasks with due dates into your calendar and optionally bringing calendar events into Todoist. On the Google Calendar integration page, you'll see a button labeled Add. Go ahead and click. Add to start the connection process. At this point, Todoist will guide you through signing into your calendar account, choosing which calendar to sync with, and setting your preferences, like whether new tasks should automatically appear as calendar events. Take your time reviewing these options so the integration works the way you prefer. When you finish, your Todoist tasks and your calendar will be connected, giving you a unified, more organized view of your day.